What's up, everybody? Ali here with H&H Cycles. Today we have this beautiful 2016 Harley-Davidson V-Rod Muscle. Under 1,800 miles on this puppy. Brand new condition. A 2016 V-Rod with under 1,800 miles. Completely bone stock, unmolested, one owner motorcycle. That's the Velocity red with flames. Looks beautiful. Healthy motor, runs as it should, shifts as it should. Super clean motor. Whole body is pretty clean except for one small scratch. It's right here. Really hard to tell. Right there. See, but that's it. Other than that, whole body is pretty clean. Let's hear it. Stock motorcycle, stock exhaust. You can definitely make it louder. If you are local, come check it out in person. We are located at 572 West Taylor Road in Romeoville. We do ship nationwide. And for more details, visit us at hnhcycles.com, and thank you for watching.